Hello, my friends. Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com, and welcome back to another video. This one you're going to really like. I just made a suit, custom suit for a customer, the most strangest, weirdest suit maybe you'll ever see. Strange for me anyway, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay, everybody, welcome back. And yeah, I'm going to show you this crazy suit. This was a crazy week, as you can see by the big mess I have over here. This was UN General Assembly Week here in New York City, and a lot of diplomats, presidents, prime ministers, all in the city. Lots of those guys have been my customers over the years since I had my stores on Madison Avenue and Fifth Avenue. They always came in there, and now I see them once a year when they come for UN General Assembly Week, either meeting them in the embassy and the consulate, but sometimes in their hotels. A lot of them just stay in regular hotels here in Manhattan, and they do have security, so you go upstairs, you got to go through some security, and then you see them in the hotel room, and it's really no big deal. And we have a little meeting, they look at the swatches, they pick a few things, or a lot of things, we hope, and that's it. Sometimes they still have people here in New York who live here or take the clothing for them, or we ship it to them in their respective country. So that's how that works out. But I want to show you this suit. A customer of mine said, I want to get this suit. It's like a navy blue, tone-on-tone, beautiful fabric. And then at the last minute, when we're talking about the model, I thought it's going to be a conservative suit. He's a conservative guy. But no, not at all. He said, I want you to make me this. And I'm going to reach over and show it to you right now. Okay, here we go. Here we are. How do you like my double-breasted suit, huh? Wearing the DB. I don't know if anybody watching Sylvester Stallone on Tulsa King, but he's wearing a lot of nice suits in that. A lot of nice suits and a lot of double-breasted and a lot of pinstripes, which are back very strong. Anyway, here we are. This is the back of the suit, because I'm going to show you the front in a minute. It's a beautiful tone-on-tone in navy. I'll put it a little close. You could probably see it there. That navy tone-on-tone. It's very, very small boxes. A beautiful fabric. And, of course, we have real working buttonholes. These are the mother of pearl buttons in blue. You can see they shine blue, the mother of pearl there, just like that. Now I'm going to show you the front. So this suit has no lapels. That's right, no lapels at all on this suit. So it has this band around the neck just for support, but then the rest of the suit has no lapels. And then to close it, there are no buttons. Just what you have here is a snap. I'm going to open this up so you can see it. But there is a snap here, and you can see it right there. There's just two snaps, and that's how the suit sort of snaps closed. Not really in the center, but a little off the center. And also, it's got a beautiful lining. Let me show you this lining, what we did. We did this lining, stripes with hot air balloons in the lining. You can see all the hand stitching there on the inside with the peninsula pockets. The pants are regular pants, just flat front pants, but the jacket, very unusual. We made it with a center vent in the back instead of side vent, because I thought that was a little better looking with this sort of design, which is a very, it's a very, very sleek, chic sort of design. Also, no flaps on the pockets. You just have the besom pocket right here, no flaps at all. But nice all year round, lightweight fabric. You can wear it anytime. And there you go, something very different, very unusual. The edge is like a cut edge, so there's very small threads that are sticking out of that cut edge, as you can probably see here in this video. But you know what? I'm going to try and put this on. I bet you it'll fit me. Might be a little big, but let me try and put on this jacket just to give you an idea of what this sort of jacket is going to look like on. Let me stand up here for a minute, and I'll take my jacket off. Let's take my jacket off here. And now I'm going to put this jacket on, and let's see what this looks like. Well, the sleeve's very short for me, but that's because this is made for somebody else. Okay, so we're going to give you an idea here of what this is like. We're going to sit down here, and there we go. So there you have it. There it is, the strangest sort of suit jacket that probably I've ever made. You got the snap right there. I just snapped it. The other one, the bottom one, I'll keep open. But what do you think? Do I belong on Star Trek? Am I like Captain Kirk? Captain Kirk in the original series, he had one of his shirts like this that's sort of strapped around the bottom of his waist, but it's sort of crisscross at the top. Is it a new fashion trend? Could this become popular? I don't know. Why don't you leave me a comment? Tell me how you like it. Could this become a new fashion trend? I can make pinstripes any kind of fabric in this kind of model. All you got to do is be creative. So there you go. Strange suit with a strange jacket, and I'll see you all again when I'm back at it.